So function operations here are saying take function f and add it to function h. That's kind of a pain in the neck because you have a fraction and a non-fraction that you have to combine together. So that just means take the 2/3 x plus 1 and add it to the 6x that we see in h of x. So it's this function plus this function here. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, that goes back to fractions that in theory you learned back in the day. To get this to be a common denominator, you're going to multiply by 3/3. Okay, so your like terms are your x's, and that's why we have to make those have a common denominator. They not only have to be like terms, but they also have to have a common denominator. So this becomes an 18/3 plus 2/3. Well, 18 plus 2, if you use your fingers and your toes, you'll get 20/3x. So that's 20/3x. Don't forget the plus 1 that's sitting right there. The other one that we kind of have a tendency to keep going and either doing well or not is f of h of x. That means you're taking this function, h of x, which is 6x, and we're plugging it into that x value right there. I've always said in my class, take the f function and rewrite it exactly the same way, but instead of x, do another unknown, just a set of parentheses with an opening for whatever. So this is the f function that it says here, and it leaves you space to put the g or the h of x function in, and that is 6x. Now this is not another situation where you have to get a like terms or whatever. This is simply a multiply across. This is technically over 1, so 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have a 4x plus 1. The others are done roughly the same.